If we don't try to be as good as we can, this might become the final stage of humankind. We always get what we deserve. We have to learn to love, to understand what it means to feel respect. Respect for life and death, the causes and the effects. And not to question what is there, but simply learn to love and learn to live with a smile upon our faces. And so to feel compassion for our mutual suffering. Because when we try to be as positive as possible, we can erase the pain from deep inside of us. Then we can elevate one another and truly understand the energy, the force of life between us. As we're all carriers of energies, which we release with our actions and thoughts, we all have reason and right to feel. Our minds tell us that we've got the option to choose our paths, and so to return to a more natural life, because by destroying the ancient life, our roots, we will always destroy ourselves eventually. No other species alive has got to shoot its garbage into space or pollute the oceans with it. Now, we have to dive into the oldest depth of this planet. We turn to bacteria at the bottom of the sea to find the help necessary to solve our desperate problems. We once again have to return to the same place we emerged from, the same place we tried to overcome with our sterile, fragile ways of existence. And while we turn to it for help, we express our gratitude by killing the ancient creatures of the oceans, like the whale, whose history is longer and whose brain is larger than ours, almost extinct for a mere pleasure of the tongue. It is greed, the same reason we also lie for, ignoring the repercussions of the sound of language and the footprints it leaves on our souls. When we recapture nature within ourselves, we will understand the damage done and see the light that leads to the end of the tunnel. Then we will cherish being part of humankind. Our chance is our lifetime. And when you face nature, our great mother, you shall find that she knows every thought and every mind. So be assured to be yourself, for she will sense all that remains unspoken. Know that when she will turn, the day of justice will have broken.